For centuries, the African American community has warned, fought, and protested, not just for our own rights, but for the rights of all oppressed people in this nation. If you stick around until the end of this video, I promise to show you how to fight, and if we continue to fight and don't give up, we can win. We stood against injustice when not many others stood with us. But today we must ask ourselves, when do we stop carrying battles that are not our own? When do we focus on rebuilding what was stolen from us? In 2020 and 2024, African Americans stood on the front lines, warning that policies rooted in xenophobia and white supremacy would not stop at just us. We saw the playbook, we read the script, and we called it out. We told our Latino brothers and sisters that aligning with an administration built on division would eventually backfire. But many turned a blind eye. Now, as their rights are being stripped away and as they take to the streets in protest, some are asking why the African American community is not standing with them in solidarity. And while we empathize with their struggle, we are choosing to sit this one out because we are tired of telling the truth while no one listens. This is not our burden, not our battle. Now is the time for a shift. The energy we have historically poured into marching for others must now be redirected. We must rally behind Black economics, Black ownership, and Black future building. This is not to say that we will disavow fighting for our community and our inalienable rights, or that we want to isolate ourselves from the world. However, right now is the time for reflection, mental health checks, and building our own sustainable path. The Greenwood section in Tulsa, Oklahoma, was not just a place, it was a blueprint. A community of Black doctors, lawyers, business owners, and entrepreneurs who built an independent economy. That same potential is in us today. The question is, will we seize it? Here's what we do next. 1. Bank Black. Move your money to Black-owned banks and credit unions. 2. Shop Black. Be intentional about supporting Black businesses. 3. Invest in Black education. Teach financial literacy to our youth. 4. Own, don't rent. Prioritize land and homeownership to build generational wealth. 5. Circulate the dollar. Keep Black money within Black communities for as long as possible. We are done being the foot soldiers of every movement while our own communities remain neglected. This time we step back. This time we focus within. We will build. We will thrive. Because, as the great Malcolm X once said, we need a self-help program, a do-it-yourself philosophy, a do-right-now philosophy, a it's already too late philosophy. Let's get to work. You need to take action today. Not tomorrow, but today. In a shocking turn of events, the Department of Governmental Efficiency, or DOGE, has been caught red-handed accessing personal and private information without your permission, without a permissible purpose. By sending a powerful, legally backed demand to each of the credit agencies, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, you can require them to delete all transactional history, balances, and inquiries associated with this unauthorized access. And let's be clear, when your Social Security number was compromised by the government DOJ agency, every account was compromised. Let's start with these blatant violations. You should get a copy of the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, and read through it to educate yourself. FCRA Section 1681B, Permissible Purposes of Consumer Reports. FCRA Section 1681C, Block of Information Resulting from Identity Theft. FCRA Section 1681E, Compliance Procedures. These laws are on your side. Under FCRA Section 1681B, no one can access your credit report or Social Security number without a direct, permissible purpose. And that purpose can't be assumed or transferred, period. Since these credit agencies are not federally regulated, they do not have the right to access or allow access to information without your explicit consent. They need to be held accountable, and you have the power to demand that your private data be deleted. I don't know about you, but I'm doing my Black job right now. I want to see all of us succeed together. Imagine if we could clear our credit, start over, pool our monies, invest in our own communities, and launch Black Wall Street 2.0. Don't let them get away with it. Share this video with all of our Black brothers and sisters and join the fight to reclaim your financial power. It's time to protect what's yours and build ours together. If you're ready to shift from reaction to revolution, then this is your time. Like, share, and subscribe to Black Wall Street 2.0 and join us in this movement toward Black self-sufficiency. I hope you're not too upset that all the information is at the end of the video. You can find the full correspondence template to send to Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion in the description below. Stand up for your rights, protect your financial future, and don't forget to pay it forward. This fight takes all of us.